Good morning, students. I hope you all are good and staying safe at your home. Children, in the previous lecture, we have done exercise number 10.2, in which we have done the exterior angle property and inequality property of a triangle. I hope you all have understood. You must have seen the video and you have gone through the questions also yourself. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in your live class or by messaging me. Today we will start the new topic and new exercise. Exercise number 10.3. And in this exercise we will do Pythagoras theorem. We will do Pythagoras theorem. We know that a triangle with one of its angles as a right angle is called right angled triangle. If in a triangle one angle is right angle, then we call it as right angled triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Let's draw. This is a right angle triangle, and in this is right angle. This symbol is for right angle. Otherwise we draw the angle like this. Symbol of angle is like this. This is the right angle triangle, right angle symbol. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And this is called base. And this is called height of a triangle. The right side which is the opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and this is the longest side of the triangle. Pythagoras theorem is for right angle triangle. So the side which is just opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and this is the longest side of the triangle. And the bottom line is called base, and this is called height. So what the Pythagoras theorem says, according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. In short form we can write hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Understood? So according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square of the size of this side will be equal to the square of size of this side, height plus base. Understood? If hypotenuse is given and one of the side is given, then how we'll find out? If we have to find out the base square, then it will be hypotenuse square minus height square. If we have to find out height square, will be hypotenuse square minus base square. So these are three formula for finding out the Pythagoras theorem sums. Understand? Now this height we can call perpendicular also. Height we can call the perpendicular also. Now we will do the sums. Now this theory is given, in this the theory is given, that is for proving the Pythagoras theorem. So you read it, go through it, and it will make you understand the Pythagoras theorem clearly. Now examples are given 12, 13, 14, 15. Same type of sums are given in the exercise also. So I am solving the exercise questions examples you will do yourself, because solution is already given, and when I will explain the exercise questions, same questions are examples also, so you can understand them when you will see my video. So do all these examples also, all the exercise examples, not only this exercise but all the exercise examples also you should try. You should try yourself. Now come to the exercise number 10.3. First question is, find out whether the given measurements can be the lengths of the sides of a right angled triangle or not. So in this you will apply Pythagoras theorem. The longest, the maximum number will be the hypotenuse, and other two numbers will be the base and height. So you will try. I am doing one question only. Rest of the questions you will do yourself. First we will write the question number 1. I am doing decimal sum. I will do decimal question. I will do. Rest of the questions will be according to this question only. You will do yourself. So in this the biggest number is 2.5. So first we will write 1.5, 2 and 2.5. So we will write the formula. Hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus height square. Now base can be anyone. Longest side only will be the hypotenuse, and this can be base or this can be base. This can be height or this can be height. Base and height can be any number. So 2.5 square equals to base is 1.5 square plus 2 square. 2.5, 25 into 25, 625, and 0.5 into 0.5. Because we are multiplying 2.5 and 2.5. So we will multiply 25 into 25, 625, and after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2. So before 2 digits we will put the decimal. So like this we will solve it. Is equals to 1.5, 15 into 15, 225, and decimal will be before 2 digits, because 1.5 into 1.5 after decimal 2 digits are there, so in answer also there should be 2 digits after decimal. Plus 2 to the 4. So we will add it. 6.25 should be equal to, this sum should be equal to 6.25. So 4 plus 2, 6.25. So hence, so answer will be yes, these can be the sides of right angle triangle. Yes, these can be the sides of right angle triangle. So you will solve rest of the questions also in this way. First you will write the formula, then you will put the values and find the square of those numbers, and then you will add base and height square. It should be equal to the hypotenuse square. Understood? Now come to the second question. In a right angle triangle, two of the sides are lengths 5 cm and 12 cm. Find the length of its hypotenuse. So same formula you will use. Hypotenuse square will be base square plus height square. Base and height are given 5 and 12. So 5 square plus 12 square will be the hypotenuse square. So I am solving it. So question number 2. In a right angle triangle, two of the sides are of length base equals to 5 centimeter. Any number you can take as base and any number you can take as height. Height equals to 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse we have to find. So hypotenuse square will be base square plus height square. Hypotenuse square will be 5 square plus 12 square. So hypotenuse square will be 25 plus 144. So hypotenuse square will be 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 2 6 and 1. So 169 is the square of which number? So for that you can do one thing, either you learn how to find out the square root of this, or you can learn the squares of the numbers up to 20. Find the square of 2 2s are 4, square of 2 is equals to 4, square of 3 equals to 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Like this, learn up to 20 square. So it will be better for you. Otherwise you have to find out the square root of the numbers with the prime factorization method. How will find out the square root of the numbers? We will find out the prime factors and then we will make the groups of 2 2. For example, I am telling you 36. How we will find out the square root of 36? We will multiply 2, 18, we will find the prime factors. 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 3s are. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 square into 2 square. So 3 square. According to the laws of exponents, if the parts are same, then base will be multiplied. So it will be 2 into 3 square. So it will be 6 square. So like this we will find out the 36. Square root of 36 will be, this is the symbol for square root. Square root of 36 will be 6. So 36, or you can say 36 is equals to 6 square, and if square root we will find out, then square root is equals to 6. Square root of 36 is 6, or 6 square is equals to 36. Understood? So like this you have to find out the square root. Otherwise you can learn the square roots of squares up till 20. So maximum 20 till 20 in your questions will be there. Understood? So 169 is the square root of 13. So hypotenuse square is equals to 13 square. The square root of 169 is equals to square of 13. So square by square we will cancel. So hypotenuse will be equals to 13. This is the answer. Understood? So in this way we will find out the hypotenuse. Come to the next third question. One of the side of a right angle triangle is 6 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. Find the third side. So in this, as I have told you, 3 formula, no? Hypotenuse square we will find out with this method, and if we have to find out base square, then base will come here and hypotenuse will come this side. So base square will be hypotenuse square minus height square, and height square will be hypotenuse square minus base square. So by using that formula you will find out the question number 3. Now question number 4. A ladder 17 meter long just reaches the wall which is 15 meter high. How far is the foot of the ladder from the foot of the wall? So for this we will draw the diagram first. A ladder is always in the slanting form. We never make the ladder stand straight. Ladder is always slanting. So this is the ladder. This is 17 meter. And it reaches the wall. It always stands by the wall, and this wall is 15 centimeter. Wall is 15 centimeter. How far is the foot of the ladder away from the foot of the wall? So this we have to find out. Base we have to find out. This is hypotenuse. This is right angle triangle. This is hypotenuse. This is height. And this is base. So we will write here hypotenuse. We will draw the diagram. This diagram you have to draw. In these type of questions you have to draw the diagram so that you can understand the concept. Hypotenuse is 17 meter. Height is equals to 15 meter. 15 meter, and base we have to find out. So base square equals to hypotenuse square minus height square. Base square, hypotenuse is 17 square minus height is 15 square. So b square is equals to 17 square is 17 into 17, 9, 8, 289. 289 minus 15 is 225. 225. So base square will be 9 minus 5, 4, 8 minus 6, 2, 6, 64. So 64 is square of which number? 8. 64 is the square of 8. So base square equals to 64 square. 64. Base square equals to, in place of 64 we can write 8 square. Square by square cancel, and base equals to 8 centimeter. So this is base, distance between the foot of the ladder and foot of the wall. It is 8 centimeter. Understood? Come to the next question. Next question also I will draw the diagram only, and rest of the question you will do yourself. A man goes, now let's read the question first. A man goes 20 meter due west and then 15 meter due north. How far is he from the starting point? We will draw the diagram: east, west, north and south. East, west, north, south. So from here he started moving, and he moved towards west and then north. So from here, west is this side now, so from here he moved west and then north. And then he moved towards north. How far is this?